So now we will see date object in JavaScript. So guys, basically date objects are static in JavaScript. The clock is not running. So basically whatever data we get from the date object, that is going to be a static data, and the clock that we refer to the computer clock over here, the computer clock is ticking but the date objects are not, and that is why they are static. So guys, let us understand this with the help of examples in VS Code over here. So simply we are going to create a new file in this case. So we have this date object.js file over here. Now guys, simply we are going to create a constant with the name date over here. It is equal to, and in order to get the current system date, simply we use the new operator followed by the date object. So as you can see, this is the built-in date object inside JavaScript that we can use in order to get the current system date time. So guys, simply we have to use the open and close parenthesis over here after the date object, and then simply we can use this particular date constant over here in order to get the current system date and time. So let us provide the console.log statement in this case, and simply we are going to say current date and time over here followed by colon, and then inside the open and close curly braces after the dollar symbol we will provide the date constant over here, which will have the current system date time in this case. Let me just save this file now and try running this code on the terminal over here by using the node command. So as you can see, we get current date and time. It is Saturday, August 24, 2024, that is the year, followed by the current time in this case. So guys, simply by using this particular date object, we can get the current date and time of the system. Now guys, apart from this, there are many methods inside this particular date constant that can be used over here. So simply we can use this particular date followed by dot. As you can see, we have get date, then followed by get day, then get full year, and so on. There are multiple methods that can be used. So guys, let us check few of them. So simply we are going to provide console.log statement. Let us only display the date of the current month over here. So date, it is equal to, and then what we will do is simply we will use the date constant followed by dot, and then we have the get date method over here. As you can see, it gets the day of the month using the local time. So simply we will use this particular method followed by open and close parenthesis. Let me just save this file now and try running this code once again over here on the terminal. So as you can see, date, it is equal to 24. Similarly, we can get the month as well. So over here we will provide month, it is equal to, and then we have date followed by dot, and this time we will provide get month over here. So you can see this is the method. Let me just run this code once again. So remember that this particular month starts from the 0th number. So basically January is 0 followed by February, which is 1 in this case. So in order to get the actual number of the month, we need to add 1 to this particular value that we get from the get month over here. So simply we provide plus 1 in this case. Let me just save this file now and try running this code once again over here. As you can see, month is equal to 8, which is reflecting the August month over here, and that is how we can get the correct month number by using the get month. Apart from this, we can also get the year as well. So simply we will provide year in this case, and the method that we are going to use is get full year in this case. So let me just save this file now. We have to remove the plus 1 from here and try running this code once again over here. So as you can see, here it is equal to 2024. Apart from this, we can also get the hours, minutes and seconds as well. So let me just duplicate this line of code over here, and then we will say hour in this case followed by minutes over here, and then we have the seconds in this case. So over here we will modify the method. So for the first method we will use the get hours, and then followed by this method must use the get minutes over here, and then the last method, it must use the seconds in this case. So over here we have the get seconds. So let me just save this file now and try running this code once again over here on the terminal. So as you can see, we are getting all the output over here. We have the date, month, year, and then hour, minutes, and then seconds as well. So guys, in this way you can use the different methods that are present inside this particular date constant, inside which we have stored the current date and time over here by using the new operator followed by the date object, which is a built-in object in JavaScript. Guys, apart from this, you can use multiple other methods. As you can see, we have many other methods over here related to the date object, which can be used based on your project requirements. So guys, comment in the comment section below whether you have learned something out of this video. Please make sure sure that you like this video so that it reaches to more people, and subscribe to this channel so that you get the notifications on upcoming videos as well. I'll see you in the next video, in which we are going to talk about math object in JavaScript. So stay tuned.